Hello, and welcome to day 2 of classes. So let's see how we get to our class. First, we come to this unit. Welcome to spring semester. Then we click on week 1. And then yesterday was day 1, Monday, February 8th. Today is day 2, February 9th, Tuesday, February 9th. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click async. Remember, async is your independent work, what we also call homework. So you have 2 activities to do in async. The first activity is an online learning quiz. So there are a few steps in this. All right, you are going to read the directions and you're going to take an online quiz. So I'll read everything here. Learning online is very different from learning in the classroom. Take this quiz to see what your online learning strengths and challenges are. When you are finished, type your results in the comment box. You will answer the following question after your results. Are you surprised by your results? Why or why not? And I am doing the example now. So here is where you click to take the quiz. Okay, and then you're going to take a self-assessment about your learning. All right, and I will fill this in. Okay, now that I've finished answering the questions, I will click view your results. Before I click view your results, there is one question. I need online courses because I live far away from the U of A campus. You just need to put not at all like me because we are not on this campus. All right, and then click view your results. All right, so my computer skills, 95, and my learning style is 70%. Online learning is 60%. Academic skills is 75%. Okay, so these are the things that you need to post. Okay, there are 2 different ways to do this. You can actually write down your answers on a piece of paper, which I will do. Okay, I have written them down. Or I could do this, where I will make my page small, and then I can search for what we call the snipping tool. Snipping tool. So in your start menu, you can look for snipping tool and you can actually cut a picture. So I will show you how to do that. So you can look for snipping tool, click new, and it gives it to you like this. Then I can just cut what I want. I want this image. And then I click File, Save. Save it to your pictures file. And I can put online learning quiz, save. Now I've done that. I can close the window. I will return back to Schoology and I'm going to post my results. So remember, I can either type my results or put my picture. So I'm going to do both. So I typed my results, or like I said, I showed you, you can actually paste your picture. So you can go to File and Pictures, and I labeled it Online Learning Quiz, and my picture will be here. Okay. And then don't forget to answer the question, are you surprised by your results? And then you write in a complete sentence, yes or no, I'm surprised and why. Okay. And that's it for this assignment. I have posted. So here you can see my results. All you do, you click the picture and you can see everything. And that's it again for this assignment. And that was the online learning quiz assignment. So now we're going to do our second assignment. Tell us something interesting about yourself. Okay, so today you're going to introduce yourself, but not with the usual facts. All right, so you're not going to say, hello, my name is, I am from. We will not be introducing ourselves this way. We will be introducing ourselves like in these directions. Okay, so you're going to pick one of these bullet points to explain. All right. Please be sure to read all of the directions before you post. All right. So here is my example. All right. This is my example. Um, One of the questions, if I could choose anywhere to live in the world, it would be. So that's the one I explained to you. Okay. You can either type your answers or you can record your answer. So you can do audio where only your voice and no video, or you can do audio and video where we can see your face as you are speaking. Okay, so you have three options really to do this post. And then when you're done, you click post. And here is your example. Please be sure to read everything. If you choose to type your answer, please use spell check. That's it for async assignment. We will go to sync. It is our second day together on Zoom, so we have a few things to do. We're going to talk about class culture and your expectations, talk about how to be an online learner, and explore distance learning guide. And I will show you again how to do the online quiz and the snipping tool in class. All right. And that's it for today. I know this video is long. Good luck.